Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. If you want to make your Korean sound more natural, more expressive, and more interesting, then learning adjectives is a must. Because adjectives are the words that help you describe people, food, places, feelings, and so much more in Korean. So, in this fourth part of our Korean adjective series, we are going to learn 20 more essential Korean adjectives along with their two most commonly used forms, the modifier form and the informal present tense form. Along with this, you'll learn easy example sentences to help you understand the meaning and usage naturally, making it easier to remember these adjectives and also use them confidently in your Korean conversations. So, before we move ahead, if you have not watched the first 3 parts of this series yet, then don't worry, I'll share the link of this complete playlist consisting of all these Korean adjective videos in the description so that it becomes easier for you to have an access to all those videos. And believe me, once you go through all these Korean adjective vocabulary videos, you will definitely find plenty of ways to make Korean sentences more natural and expressive. So now, let's continue expanding your Korean vocabulary with 20 more must-know Korean adjectives. So here comes the first one. To be nice. 착하다. 착하다. Its modifier form is 착한 and its informal present tense conjugated form is 착해요. Now, if you don't know how the modifier form of an adjective works or what is this modifier form of an adjective, then I'll share the link in the description of the video in which I explained the modifier form of Korean adjectives. And also, if you don't know about the concept of Korean adjective conjugation, then I'll also share the link of the playlist in which I have explained the conjugation of Korean verbs and adjectives in the description. So you don't have to worry about the grammatical part, just focus on enhancing your vocabulary. So here comes a very simple example. 그 학생은 아주 착해요. That student is very nice. See, the examples that I'm going to use throughout this video are going to be very simple because my motive over here is to improve, to enhance Korean adjective vocabulary and to understand how to use an adjective in a sentence. Okay? Our focus should not be on the grammatical part of the sentences, and therefore I have used very easy grammar. So focus on how to use the adjective in a sentence rather than focusing on the grammar, because the grammar is going to be very easy throughout this video. Alright? Next, to be few. 적다. 적다. 적은 적어요. 냉장고에 음식이 적어요. There is little food in the fridge. To be many. 많다. 많다. 많은 많아요. 공원에 사람이 많아요. There are many people in the park. To be sad. 슬프다. 슬프다. 슬픈 슬퍼요. 그 여자는 슬퍼요. That woman is sad. To be weird or to be strange. 이상하다. 이상하다. 이상한 이상해요. 그 남자는 이상해요. That man is weird. To be slow. 느리다. 느리다. 느린, 느려요. 달팽이는 느려요. The snail is slow. To be fast. 빠르다. 빠르다. 빠른, 빨라요. 그 차는 아주 빨라요. That car is very fast. To be fresh. 신선하다. 신선하다. 신선한, 신선해요. 엄마는 신선한 과일을 샀어요. Mom bought fresh fruits. To be interesting, or to be fun, or to be funny, or to be exciting, entertaining. 재미있다. 재미있다. 재미있는, 재미있어요. 이 드라마는 너무 재미있어요. This drama is very funny. So for something to be funny or interesting or to be fun or to be entertaining, we use 재미있다. To be not interesting. 재미없다. 재미없는, 재미없어요. 이 책은 재미없어요. This book isn't interesting. To be yellow. 노랗다. 노랗다. 노란, 노래요. 이 노란 가방이 예뻐요. This yellow bag is pretty. Here we have used the modifier form of the adjective. Yellow bag. 노란 가방. Okay? To be boring. 지루하다. 지루하다. 지루한, 지루해요. 이 영화는 아주 지루해요. This movie is so boring. To be cold. 춥다. 춥다. 좋은, 추워요. 날씨가 추워요. The weather is cold. To be hot. 덥다. 덥다. 더운, 더워요. 날씨가 더워요. The weather is hot. Remember one thing. 춥다 and 덥다. They are used for the weather, for the air temperature, or how your body feels. Okay? Please keep this in mind because the next pair of adjectives that we are going to see, they are also to be hot and to be cold, but they're used in different situations. So keep this in mind that 춥다 and 덥다, they are used for the weather, for the air temperature, or how your body feels. Next, to be cold. 차갑다. 차갑다. 차가운, 차가워요. 이 물은 너무 차가워요. This water is too cold. To be hot. 뜨겁다. 뜨겁다. 뜨거운, 뜨거워요. 이 차는 뜨거워요. This tea is hot. Now, 차갑다 and 뜨겁다, they are used for things like objects, food, and drinks. Okay? So, although 춥다 and 차갑다, they both mean to be cold, but they are used differently. And similarly, 덥다 and 뜨겁다, both of these adjectives, they mean to be hot. But again, they are used differently. 차갑다 and 뜨겁다, they are used for objects, for food items, or for drinks. Alright? Next, to be poor. 기난하다. 기난하다. 기난한, 기난해요. 저 여자는 매우 기난해요. That woman is very poor. To be special. 특별하다. 특별하다. 특별한, 특별해요. 이 드레스는 정말 특별해요. This dress is really special. To be not delicious. 맛없다. 맛없다. 맛없는, 맛없어요. 음식은 맛없어요. The food is not delicious. To be red. 빨갛다. 빨갛다. 빨간, 빨개요. 저는 빨간 사과 5개를 샀어요. I bought 5 red apples. Okay, so in this video, we learned 20 Korean adjectives along with their modifier form and their present tense informal conjugated form. Also, we saw example sentences to understand how to use these adjectives in our Korean day-to-day conversations. So, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.